But again, if you like warmer weather, this week is the week for you. A preview of spring, almost summer. I mean, 80 degrees is pretty warm. Temperatures today, we're going to settle in the low 70s with that cloud cover sticking around. That's going to limit the amount of heating that we can do, permitting more rain and some storms. Some of these could be severe. Right now, most severe part looks to be south of our area. A surge of moisture from the Gulf, key ingredient in severe weather. We need instability, we need uplift, and we need moisture. Hey, good morning. Yes, I'm here on Mississippi State's campus. A beautiful day. The sun is shining. We do have some cloud cover and some gusty winds, but it's pretty comfortable. If you're heading out for late night festivities with family or maybe going to a Christmas Eve service, make sure that you are bundled up in multiple layers. To our west, you'll notice just a series of these flash flood warnings, torrential downpours to our west. And let's step away from home for a minute. The Northeast is experiencing crazy cold conditions, a true Arctic blast, record-breaking temperatures. Now these dew points, our best friend today and tomorrow and for the next few days, they're really low. It's not one of my favorites, but
Cameron,
I
yes,
approve.
he's going, yay, yay for the musical.
That is so funny. That just makes you laugh.
All right, well, just watch out for that on TikTok and rain for the rest of the week, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Keep an umbrella close.
All right, we'll do that.
Top of the hour here, 2 p.m. and this is what we're looking at on radar. All of these counties in yellow are in a PDS, potentially dangerous situation, tornado watch. At this time, this is going to last through the rest of today. Lots of heavy downpours. You heard the report with 600 people without power in Lafayette County. These storms are really strong. A lot of torrential rain, a lot of wind and lightning. Definitely some very serious life-threatening storms on radar tonight. I do want to mention the warning that is extended in the eastern portion of Atala. I believe Atala is now safe. Rotation has moved northeast, continuing to move northeast at 45 miles per hour. We are tracking it. And while this storm is moving fast, the front that has permitted these storms is moving very slowly. Right now, that warning is set to expire at 6:30 p.m. But if this rotation stays fairly tight, it's definitely not going to expire. And its next city on the map is going to enter Choctaw County and Winston counties. Let's make sure that we are letting those of you know who are out of the path that you're clear now. And I would go ahead and claim that New Albany, Union Hill, Baker, those areas, you can come out of your safe place. They seem to have weakened. We still have a tornado warning for those in the red polygon until 9:45 a.m. So let's not dismiss that. But good news is it looks like the rotation has been weakening, and it could spark right back up, as Jackson has been saying. But for now, it looks like it has weakened.
You can count on with the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Good morning and happy Saturday to you. I'm Way 31 meteorologist Brylee Brown. It's a beautiful day. Here's a live look from Lake Gunnersville. Temperatures chilly though, 30 degrees. We have clear skies, and those clear skies allowed us to cool drastically last night. Woke up to temperatures in the 20s, but the good news is on the Early Warning Radar Network, we're completely dry and clear in North Alabama and southern Tennessee, which means we're going to see some sunshine today, warming us into the mid-50s by this afternoon. A little bit warmer to the south, and Etowah County may reach 56 in Gadsden, 56 in the Shoals as well, but most of us rounding out near 54, 55 degrees. It'll be warmer than yesterday. That's the good news. We will have some clouds roll in from the west later this afternoon and actually may see a few spotty showers late tonight. They're going to be very spotty, just some sprinkles of rain over some of us around 11:30 on into midnight. And then heading into your Sunday, the clouds clear out. 10 a.m. you can see that cloud cover residing to the south, and we'll have a beautiful Sunday as well. Temperatures mild tomorrow in the 60s, a little warmer. We're getting closer to that spring-like feel that we've all been talking about. And courtesy of the jet stream here, the jet stream is going to shift north next week, creating two distinct air masses. To the north, we have colder air, and to the south, near the Gulf, we're going to see warmer conditions. Very excited as we, again, inch closer into spring-like weather. You can see we're on the uphill climb here. 67 Monday, Tuesday, we make our way into the 70s, and you're seeing that right, 76 for the high on Wednesday. We may even reach the 80s when it's all said and done heading into next week. Now, although we're experiencing these spring-like conditions and temperatures, we're not going to see spring until March 20th, 30 days away, but we're getting closer. And if you like warmer weather like myself, I'm very excited. We have sunshine today, tomorrow, inching on into the 60s heading into next week with some rain chances and maybe some storms. They're not really widespread storms, but we are going to be tracking some rain here and there. Temperatures in the 70s. Hopefully we'll reach the 80s by Thursday. Your overnight lows in the 50s and the 60s.